Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to talk about the touch sampling rate on the Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update. Yes friend, just today only I did receive the software update in the Realme X1 Max device, which is about 8.19 update, as you can clearly see. So let's see friends, what will be the touch sampling rate after the recent software update in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers. The main reason is because the phone has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, that's what the company is claiming, but by default we do get only 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. So this is a question a lot of users are actually having on this one. Even I did read in the Realme community regarding this Realme X1 Max, as you can see here exactly. Few of the users did mention that the phone supports only 240 Hz touch sampling rate, but instead of 360 Hz touch sampling rate, as you can clearly see. So not only in the Realme community, everywhere I did see a lot of comments friends regarding the Realme X1 Max. But let me try to show you what is happening exactly, how much touch sampling rate it's present after the recent update. So let me try to open this application which is useful to test the touch sampling rate here. And right now you can see the real-time FPS meter how much I'm trying to use. It's about 120 Hz refresh rate. So 120 Hz refresh rate, and the touch sampling rate number which is showing is about close to 360. As you can see friends clearly. So what are the value you get in the touch sampling rate? You need to do the minus with the refresh rate what you are using. So right now I'm trying to use a 120 Hz refresh rate. So 360 minus 120 Hz, you will get the 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. So maybe if the Realme, they did climb, maybe if you include the refresh rate plus touch sampling rate, then we will get the 360 Hz. That could be completely different. But the Realme, they did mention only the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. That's a one point. So the value should be kind of close to 480, then it makes sense. So for example, let me try to show you in the MI Linux device. This is the MI Linux device, as you can see friends clearly. The MI did claim that the phone has got 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So what are the value we see here? It's kind of 480, it should be visible. Right now we are getting 480, as you can clearly see, by default 480. So 480 minus 120 Hz, definitely 360 Hz touch sampling rate which is present in the MI Linux device. Similar kind of value we should see in the Realme X1 Max, but we are not seeing in the Realme X1 Max. That's the one thing we should definitely note down. As you can clearly see here what is happening at this moment. So still, even of the update as well, still the problem did not get fixed in the Realme X1 Max. So I'm not sure whether they will be able to fix it or not. I don't have any kind of hopes it's at this point. So that's another thing friends, I thought of reviewing for you all in case if you are interested to know. I'm not sure whether it will make a lot of difference or not, but it's just that what are the companies climbing, at least they should give. So for example, if they're climbing 240, they should give the 240. There's nothing wrong in having 240 Hz. So that's another thing. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Unless stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and bye.